In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Windows Update missing patch error. So what we're going to do here is firstly, okay, on your search bar here, search for troubleshoot. So just type in troubleshoot and then go to the troubleshoot settings. Just open it up. Okay. Once you open up here, you're going to go to this Windows Update section here. Click on the Windows Update section. Okay, and then what we're going to do is hit on check for updates and look if there is any system updates. If it is so, just update your system. So when you update your Windows, that should most probably fix up all issues. Okay, just a update is will remove all the bugs and will fix up everything. So you can try to do that. And once that's done, next step what we can do is on your search bar here, search for services. Okay, click on services and then select it, and then you will get to this page here, this window here. And then what we're going to do, you're going to scroll and then look for Windows Update. So you're going to scroll all the way down and look for Windows Update, and there you go. So when you see Windows Update, double click on it, and then from here on the startup type, select automatic. Okay, select automatic, and then for the service status, make sure it's running. If it is not, just make it running. Okay, start, so it will show as running. Once that's done, hit on apply and hit on OK, and then try to restart your system, and that should fix up the issue.